I'm going to show you how to hook up your Nintendo Switch to your monitor with HDMI cable. First thing, you connect the power to a Nintendo Switch and then have your HDMI cable. One end you connect it to a monitor, and the other end you connect it to a switch. And then if you want, you can cross this. And then put the switch like this. And then make sure you take out two of the remote controllers like this, and then you do it like this. There you have a wireless controller. And then you turn on your switch, press the power button on your switch, and your monitor. Or if you want, you can change the input down there. So this is how you connect your Nintendo Switch to a monitor with HDMI cable. Like and subscribe to my channel if the video is helpful.